Good morning, boys and girls, and today we are working in math with math word problems. Yesterday we did addition. Today we do subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Take away. All right? So I'm going to do a worksheet that you did last week. That is fair because the ones that I give you this week are the ones that I did last week. And that way you don't copy me. All right, let's bring our easel over here. Let's start working. And as you know, these have been worksheets that we've been working since last week. So I'm going to be on the side. Even though you're going to hear my voice, I'm right here, okay? Doesn't mean I disappeared. All right, so the title of this word problem is Hippity Hop. Read and solve the word problems to find out how many frogs are left. That means subtraction. 5 frogs were in the pond. 4 frogs jumped out of the pond. How many frogs are left? So the first thing I need to draw is 5 frogs. So I'm going to draw them like an oval. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. This is supposed to be the pond. Okay. And the pond has water, of course. So now, I'm going to subtract. Subtract means take away. So I have 5 frogs who are in the pond. I have them in the pond. And it says 4 frogs jumped out of the pond. So this is how they jumped. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all jump out of the pond. The question you need to answer is, how many frogs are left? Are left means subtract. What are we subtracting? The 5 from the frogs to the 4 that went out of the pond. So, on your number line, you look for the number 5 because that's the first number you see there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 5. I marked it. And now I'm going to go backwards 4. Ready? 1, because that's what it says. 4 frogs jumped. 2, 3, 4. Now, what is the answer? The answer is 1. 1 is the answer. My equation is 5 minus 4 equals, what you see on the number line is 1. Or in the picture that didn't jump, 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. My answer, 1 frog. And I shouldn't say frogs, it should say frog. 1 frog. So that's the solution to that problem. But now I have another one here about birds. So I'm going to move this paper over here, and I'm going to continue with this paper. So you can take out the other paper that you probably have there, because you have several of them, to finish the work. So here we go. I'm going to read the story now. Shall we? Fly, birdie, Read and solve the problems to find out how many birds are left. Ready? 8 birds were on the fence. 2 birds flew away. How many birds are left? Subtraction. 8 birds were on the fence. So let's draw the fence because they were on it. Okay. You see what I'm doing? I'm doing crisscross because some fences are like that. And if you don't hear me, I'm drawing. And sometimes when I draw, I'm concentrated, so I don't talk. But you can see what I'm doing. So this is what a fence to me looks like. And if you've never made one, this might be your chance. That if your word problem says to make a fence, you can make one. Now I have to draw the birds. Okay? And it says that there were 8 birds. So I'm going to draw 8 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 away. 7, 8. Those are my birds. 8 birds were on the fence. 2 birds flew away. How many birds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's go to the number line. Let's look for number 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to start here, but I got to go backwards for 2 because 2 flew away. So 1, 2. So what is my answer? My answer is 6. 6. All right? Now I get to do the equation. And the equation is 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or the 6 right here. That's my equation. The answer to the question is 6 birds. So I write a 6. And that is how you solve these math word problems. So this is what we did today. We hope that you're getting better and proficient at it, because when you get to kindergarten, you're going to be reading and doing a lot of those math word problems, both in addition and today, like it is in subtraction. Have a wonderful day, and remember to love yourself. I love you. Give it all you got. All right? Bye.